The history of Valentine's Day is a tale steeped in mystery, intrigue, and romance. It is a day that has been celebrated for centuries, although its origins are shrouded in the mists of time. Valentine's Day originated from a Roman festival called Lupercalia, held in the middle of February. This festival, which celebrated the arrival of spring, included fertility rites and the pairing off of women with men by lottery. However, at the end of the 5th century, Pope Gelasius I replaced Lupercalia with Saint Valentine's Day. Interestingly, it wasn't until much later during the Middle Ages that the day became definitively associated with love. The association of Valentine's Day with romantic love evolved during the time of Geoffrey Chaucer. He wrote a poem in 1382 for the first anniversary of the engagement of King Richard II of England to Anne of Bohemia, where he linked the royal engagement, the mating season of birds, and Saint Valentine's Day for the first time. This notion of Valentine's Day as a day for lovers gained popularity in Britain and spread throughout Europe. Shakespeare and other writers further promoted the romantic aspect of Valentine's Day in their works, which helped popularize the day in the public consciousness. By the 17th century, it was common for friends and lovers in all social classes to exchange tokens of affection or handwritten notes on this day. During the 1840s, an American woman named Esther A. Howland began selling the first mass-produced valentines in the United States. Known as the Mother of the Valentine, she created elaborate creations with real lace, ribbons, and colorful pictures known as scrap. This tradition of exchanging love notes and tokens of affection on Valentine's Day continues to this day. The tradition of Valentine's cards spread across the United States and then across the world, carried by the trend of globalization. Today, millions of people across the globe celebrate Valentine's Day by expressing their love and appreciation for the people in their lives. As time has passed, the customs associated with Valentine's Day have evolved and changed, but the heart of it remains the same. Whether it's a simple handwritten note, a bouquet of roses, or a box of chocolates, the gestures are meant to express love and appreciation. The history of Valentine's Day, a celebration of love and affection, dates back to ancient times, yet it continues to be celebrated today with the same spirit of love and romance.